Hello friends, this is Dr. MiteshGala, presently teaching in Campaign School. Welcome to the online teaching resource.
Hi, we're getting into exercise 21B for surface area and volume, and this is the second exercise again based on cube and cuboid, but there is a new concept in the surface area that we need to understand. For example, if this is your cube, or let's say cuboid, length, breadth and height, right? Surface area will be two types over here. One will be the vertical surface area. Vertical means the four walls which you can see around in your own room, okay? And when we say total surface area, that means the four walls plus the ceiling as well as the floor. So here, this is going to be the floor over here, and this is going to be the ceiling. So surface area will be two types. One will be surface area of vertical walls, and the second one will be total surface area. So here we will be having for both cube as well as cuboid. Alright, so let us understand from the point of view of the cube. So for a cube, one square, okay, like that, four squares, because four walls. So one wall will basically be L square, and four walls will make it 4L square. Whereas here it is going to be one perimeter into height. That is going to be the area of four vertical faces, twice length plus breadth into height. So that is perimeter into height. So in the previous video I explained how this is generated, so please go to that and then understand it. And when the total surface area comes, the same earlier formula we are going to use: twice length plus breadth, breadth plus height, height plus length, and this is going to be 6L square. Okay, and finally the volume. So three parts. So volume here is going to be LBH, LQ. So these are only 6 formulae that you need to know. So please take a picture of this, a screenshot, put on the softboard so you can constantly look at it and you can learn it. So remember, vertical walls are 4 walls around, okay, and that is going to be perimeter into height, 2L plus B into height. Don't mess this up. So let's begin with sum number 1. They say the length, breadth and height of the hall is this much, and if one person requires 5 meter cube of air, how many people can be accommodated? So we will say number of people is equal to volume of the hall. Since people are going to go inside, they are not on the surface, they are inside, therefore volume upon whatever one requires, that is 5. So volume of the hall is 40, or you can write the formula length, breadth, height upon 5. So 40 by 25 by 15 upon 5. So 5 ones are and 5 threes are, so 75 into 4. So 4 into 5, 20, 28, 30. So 3000 people can be accommodated, should be your answer number 1. So you can say therefore 3000 people can be accommodated in the hall. Yeah, please don't forget to write the final answer, otherwise you will lose 1 mark straight away. Since it's a word problem, you are expected to write the final answer. Sum number 3. In the third one, they say a room, again length, breadth, height. What are the area of 4 walls and what are the area of the roof? So let's draw a diagram to imagine how the room will look. So it's like a cuboid. Yeah, area of 4 walls, that is 4 vertical walls. So we said area of 4 walls. The formula, anybody? Yes, twice length plus breadth into height. So let's work it out. Length is 6, breadth is 5.4 and the height is 4. So come on, pause the video, solve this and then think what will be the area of the roof. Roof is here. So that's your second part, okay? So 4 2s are 8 into 11.4. 8 4s are 32, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8 and 1, 9. So 91.2 meter square. Likewise, area of the roof. So roof basically is going to be length into breadth. So that's the upper part. So length is 6, breadth is 5.4. So 32.4 meter square. So we managed to get our area of vertical walls as well as the area of the roof. I hope you're getting all these sums correct. If you do so, let me know in the comment section and I will be happy to hear about it. Come on, sum number 4. 4 is slightly tricky. They say a room is there with 1 door and 2 windows. Generally all our rooms are like that, right? With doors and windows, obviously. So the first thing they want is area of 4 walls excluding doors and windows. So area of walls with no windows, so excluding doors and windows. So let's see how can we work this out. So first, area of 4 walls, so twice length plus breadth into height. This is the area of 4 walls, okay, minus the area of the door. So one door will be length into breadth, and window, so again window length into breadth, and 2 such windows, therefore multiply it by 2. Lot of calculations here, so please be focused so that you don't go wrong, okay. So 5 plus 4.5 into 3.6. This length plus breadth, not the earlier one. Take the length and breadth only of the door. Now the length and the breadth of the window. So 1 into 0.75 into 2. So 2 into 3.6 will give me 7.2 into 9.5 minus 15 4s are 60, 36. So 3.6 because 2 decimals plus 2 into 0.75 will be 1.5. And let's multiply 95 with 72. So 5 2s are 10, 18, 19, 7 5s are 35, 66. So 0, 14, 6, 7 and 1, 8, 6, 8, 4, 0. 2 decimals, so 68.40 minus this is going to be 3 and 1, 4, 5.10. So when I subtract, it should be 63.30 meter square. This is the area of 4 walls excluding 1 door and 2 windows. Now moving further, cost of painting the walls at the rate of this. So let's do this over here only. So cost of painting, okay. So you are not going to paint the doors or the windows because excluding them. So whatever your area you have got, multiplied by 4.5 rupees. So area is 63.30 into 4.5 rupees. So let's take a rough sheet in order to calculate it. So 633 into 45. So 5 4s are 20, sorry, 5 3s are 15, 15 and 1 16, 31, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 1 13, 25. So I'll get 5, 8, 4, 8, 2, and how many decimals now? So 1 and 1 2. So 284.85 rupees. So cheap, I doubt. Who is this guy who's painting it at such a low cost? Let's call him at our place. 284.85. It's absolutely correct. Such a cheap person. I mean, not a person is not cheap. I mean, the cost is so cheap. That's good. Okay, the next part, cost of painting the roof. So only the roof is what you're going to paint. So cost of painting the roof. For that, we'll have to find the area of the roof and multiply it by the cost they mentioned, which is 9 rupees per square meters. So roof is only the top part, this part. See, this is the roof. So that will be length into breadth into 9. So length into breadth will be 5 into 4.5 into 9. So that should be 45 into 4.5. So 5 4s are 20. 20, okay. This many rupees. Whenever it is rupees, always write 2 decimal places. Are you wondering how did I do this direct? Because 45 is square. So 5 square is 25, 4 into 5 is 20, and then 1 decimal. That's how you do it directly, the squaring part. Anyways, I hope you managed to get this correct. Good job. Exactly same as sum number 5. Nothing new in this. So come on, pause the video. On your own, get me sum number 5. Please do not disappoint me. Length, breadth, height are given, door, 5 doors and 4 windows, okay. Cost of painting the walls at rupees 12 and carpeting the floor. So this we'll see later. First look at the first part. So area is what I'll have to find first. So cost will be equal to area multiplied by the cost, which is 12. So area is first 4 walls only, okay. So twice length plus breadth into height minus doors. So length into breadth, but how many? 5. Minus windows, again length into breadth, and how many? 4. Whatever answer I get, multiplied by 12 rupees. This is going to be the total cost. So let's see. Twice length is 75 plus 60 into height is 16. Here this is going to be 4 into 3 by 5, and this is going to be 3 into 1.6 by 4. The whole thing multiplied by 12. And here also you'll have to be very careful while calculating it. So 16 into 2, 32, and this is going to be 135. minus 12 fives are 60. This is going to be 4 threes are 12, 12 sixes are 72, 12 ones are 12 plus 7 19, so 19.2 in brackets to be multiplied by 12. So 135 into 32, let me take a rough sheet. 135 into 32, yeah, that's correct. So 5 twos are 10, 6 and 1 7 2, 5 threes are 15, 9 and 1 10, 3 and 1 4, so 0 12 3 4, so 4320 with no decimals, minus, I'm adding these two, so it's going to be 79.2 into 12. I have no clue if I am on the right track. 0.00 subtracting 79.20, so this should be 0.80. Here I'll get 1, this is going to be 5, so 4 2 4 multiplied by 12, so 12 into 0 is 0, 12 8s are 96, 12 ones are 12 plus 9 21, 50, 29, 50 again, and I'm going to get two decimals, so it should be 50,000 something something. Bapre, please tell me I am not wrong. I don't want to get the answer incorrect. 50,889.60. Oh, 889. We got something extra over here, I don't know what. So we'll have to again recheck our calculations right from the scratch. I think this subtraction could be a problem. 8 plus 2 10, 9 10. Yeah, here is the problem. See 0 8, here 1 nahi aayega, 0 will come, correct? And then this will be 5, so 4, it's correct now. So now we'll have to multiply again. So 0, 12 8s are 96, 9, so 9 again, 12 8s are 48, 28, 50. So now it is correct, 50,800. So only mistake was here. So my answer is basically 50,889.60 rupees. This is the cost of papering the walls. Papering the walls means you are putting the wallpaper. Now carpeting the floor, that's the second part. So to get the second part, we'll have to find the area of the floor first. So carpeting the floor will be area of the floor multiplied by the cost, which is 25. So the floor is basically only length into breadth, just like the roof. So length is 75 and breadth is 60 into 25. So this is going to be 135 into 25. Can I do mental math? Let's see. 25 5s are 125, 12 carried over, 75 plus 12, 87, 8, 25 plus 8, 3275 rupees. Please tell me I'm correct. I want to get this a correct answer. Let's see. Where is the answer? This is question number 5, part 2. Oh bapre, this is 1,12,500. I got such a cheap answer. How is that possible? So carpeting the floor, so we took the floor and I ignored 1 0. That's the first mistake I did. Secondly, it was multiplication and I added. Wow, what a blunder. So 75 into 60 into 25 should be 1500. 150 and 1 0. 15 5s are 75, 2 more zeros. 15 7s are 105, 112. Now is it correct? 112 point, 1,12,500. 1,12,000. I was buying it for 3,000. Shame on us. My bad. Sorry. I multiplied, instead of that I added, and I ignored 0 also. So now did you get it at least now? Okay, good one. Let's go to the next one. Sum number 7. My bad. Next time I'll see that I am more focused now. So you have a box whose outside measurements are these. It has a width. So width basically goes on both the sides. So let's say this is the box, okay? Now the width means this much inside you'll have to come. 0.5 from each side. So the outer length is 66. Inner length will be minus 0.5 from two sides. Okay, so you'll have to subtract 1. So the inside length will become 65. Likewise 2 times breadth also, so 35, and likewise 2 times height also, so 20. So you will get your inside length, breadth, height. Why? Because both sides you are reducing 0.5. Now the first thing they've asked is volume inside. So volume inside basically length into breadth into height. So 65 into 35 into 20. So 77 or 2 zeros, right? So 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 45. So it should be 45,500 centimeter square. Please tell me at least now I'm correct. It's correct. Yes, good job. Second, volume of the metal. So volume of the metal means only this thicker part, okay? So what we will do is volume of outside box minus volume of inner box. So inner box you've already found. Outside box let's find. So that will be length into breadth into height minus the inner, which is 65 into 35 into 20. So this you need not multiply, it's already there. This we'll have to multiply and check what answer do we get. So 36 into 21. So 6 3, 6 2s are 12, 6 and 1 7. So 6 5 7. So I get 756. I'll have to multiply this by 66 now. So 6 6 are 36, 33, 45. So 4 5 3 6, 6 9, 8 9 4. So 4 9 8 9 6. That is meter cube this time. Centimeter cube because it's volume. Tell me if you are correct. 4. Okay, yeah. This is outside minus inside. So this minus this 45 500. So I will get a 6, I will get a 9, I will get 3, I will get 4, and that's it. Centimeter cube. Tell me now if I am correct. 4396. Perfect. So outside minus inside. And lastly, what will be the weight? So we will say weight is equal to whatever the volume of that metal, that is this part only, multiplied by each gram, that is 3.6. So we'll have to take this 4396 and multiply it by 3.6. Bapre, lot of calculation. 36, 57, 18 plus 5, 23, 26. Again 18, 27, 28, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 1, 13. So 6, 15, 8, 11, 12, 6, 7 and 1, 8, 5 and 1. So how many decimals now? Just one. Oh, 15825.6 grams. Bapre. 15825.6 grams. I am sure many of you are going to copy this and they are not going to calculate it. Please don't do that, because when you practice, only then you will be able to deliver it in the exam. 15825.6. It's correct. Lot of calculations. We'll have to work, guys. We've got no choice. Sum number 9. There is a tank which is open from top. So let's say this is your tank, open from top. Alright. What is the area of the metal sheet? So metal sheet is going to be the 4 walls and the base. The roof is open. Okay, so that we can't take total surface area now. So you got to be smart over here. Okay, so area of metal sheet is going to be basically 2 length plus breadth into height, that is 4 walls, plus the base, which is only length into breadth. So 2 length is 10 plus 7.5 into 3.8 plus 10 into 7.5. So 2 into 8 is 16, 6 and 1 7.6, adding these two, so 17.5, multiplying these two, 75. So now I'll have to multiply 175 with 76. So 175, 76, Bapre, 30, 45, 9, 10. Okay, 35, 45, 52, 7 plus 5, 12. So 0, 10, 3, 3, 1. I don't know if I'm correct, and 2 decimals. So it should be 133 plus 75. So 208 meter square. Please tell me if I'm correct. I don't know. It's correct. Yeah, so I'm good with calculations. So should be you. How will you be good? Only with practice, not by cheating. The last question, sum number 10, again open tank. What is the cost of the iron? So again find the area and multiply by the cost. So the same thing you're going to repeat, just like sum number 9. That is, this will be the area. So first we'll find the area of the sheet or area of iron. So that is going to be twice length plus breadth into height plus length into breadth. Whatever answer you get, we'll multiply it by 65 to get our cost. So twice length is 30, breadth is 24, height is 4.5. Again length 30, breadth 24. So 2 into 4.5 is 9, and this will be 54. Plus 3 4s are 12, 6 and 1 7, 20. 9 4s are 36, 45, 48. Plus 720. So this should be 6, 10, 11, 12. 1206 meter square. And therefore cost should be 1206 multiplied by 65. Oh my god, more calculation. So 1206 into 65. 6 5s are 30. 5 2s are 10. 5 and 1 6. 36. 6 2s are 12. 6 and 1 7. So 09387. So 78390 rupees. 78,390, and this is absolutely correct. Great. We did the second exercise, and then the third exercise is again an easier one. For your homework, you should do 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. I am asking you to repeat few sums, only then you will get good practice on your calculation. So please do it, okay? The next video I'm going to do it on the next exercise. Also for your next year standard 9, that is 21, 22 I'm talking about, in the month of March, I am beginning with a curriculum plan along with test series and doubt solving sessions. If you want to join them, go to the description box down, click on the link on the WhatsApp link, and you will get the entire catalog. If you got any doubts, connect with me and I'll help you on that. Hope to see you joining that soon. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, pray for everyone, and be honest. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do write your math experience in the comment section. Thank you.